Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to.
The Travel Epic!
So right now we are in
Padubidri Beach.
Padubidri Beach. We had been to Mangalore so many times, to Udupi so many times, but never got a chance to explore the beaches over here. So this time we have dedicatedly come here to explore the beaches that we haven't visited so far. And the first one we visited today on a weekend is Padubidri Beach. And this is very special because this is the only beach in Karnataka which has got the blue flag. Yes, this is the blue flag Padubidri Beach. It's a weekend and a holiday season, but surprisingly there is absolutely nobody, just one more family other than us in this entire beach. This is super clean and very safe to play with the kid like this. Good morning! This is our day 2 at Someshwar Beach, Mangalore. Once again, we have chosen a right place, isolated, scenic, secluded. Nobody in the beach to disturb us. You should see my kid and my wife. We have booked a beautiful resort in Mangalore, which is actually the border of Karnataka and Kerala. And the name of the resort is Vasco Mangalore Beach Resort. So we have booked a sea facing room in the first floor.
The next important beach in Bangalore we visited was Kapu Beach, which houses 130 feet tall lighthouse, which is a century old. The beach is super clean, less crowded, and very safe to play. lighthouse is open for visitors to get a bird's eye view of the sea from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. every day. We decided to spend our evening at the famous Panambur Beach, which is India's first fully owned beach by a private enterprise. This beautiful beach is known for its cleanliness, safety, and the adventurous tides that it offers for all of us to play. After enjoying the beaches of Mangalore, we visited the Udupi Krishna temple to offer our thanks. We always try to include a spiritual stop on our trips as a gesture of gratitude.